This is Rich. Rich is a slick businessman. Rich wants the best company, the best people, the best tools. But Rich has overlooked something profound, something vital. He thought having the best tools would be enough. He was wrong, terribly wrong. His people had no clue how to unlock their potential. Without coaching, they were far from the best. The investment he had made in their digital tools was wasted. Such a waste of resources, wasted potential. Luckily, Rich found the answer: a service to build digital muscles, a way to inspire, motivate, and educate his people on how to simply work smarter through storytelling to unlock their digital potential. Today, Rich is the best. He has the best people, the best tools, and the best performers.